Hi guys, I'm Mehak. Welcome back to episode 4 of Brown Syndrome.
What's up, guys? This is Arth.
What's up, guys? This is you. And in the fourth episode, we bring to you conspiracy theories, and we just wanted to talk about it because it's a much lighter topic compared to our stuff in the past. And this topic really intrigues the three of us, and we feel like we can talk about it with creative minds and run our minds through it. And the first conspiracy that we're going to talk about is actually the alleged accident of Princess Diana, and the conspiracy revolving around it, and who was involved and who wasn't. And Mehak has a great take on it.
Okay, so Princess Diana was basically the Princess of Wales, and she died in 1997 in a car accident. This is what is known to the public, like until
She's Prince Charles' wife, right? Prince Charles's wife, ex-wife.
yeah, and so this is what is known to the public, that she died in a car accident. But since Anonymous has come back, and Anonymous, for the people who don't know, is a hacker group that has hacked into hacktivists, and they're basically a group so they have hacked into the UN. They hacked into the Minneapolis department, the police department, and they took it down after all of this stuff that was happening. And basically, they do a lot of stuff for the public, and so against the government and all these things. So since they came back, they also revealed stuff that said that she came to know of the sex trafficking ring where the royal family was involved, and then she started recording testimonies of the victims. So, and then the royal family came to know about this, and then so they orchestrated this whole car accident. And I don't know how true it is, but like they published like all these things. They also said that there was this video voice recording, I think, which was there with her butler Paul. I think that's his name, and it went missing a few years ago or months ago. I'm not sure, but it held like details of a victim who was raped inside the royal family. So it had all of that. So I don't know how true it is, but it has all that information. And so that I don't know how true it is. And then that's why she was killed. So what do you guys
So
think?
वो कितने bored थे? Why were they so bored to have a sex trafficking ring in the fucking Buckingham Palace?
And he was paid off with some 30,000 pounds or something, I guess.
I have some input over here. Like, apparently, that what happened was Princess Diana had written a letter to somebody, and in the letter it had said that she fears for her life.
Oh yeah, and that somebody was planning a car accident. Yeah.
And somebody was planning a car. It was in a
She
letter,
said that.
and the events actually happened. And also, so this is like information that I really dug deep into, and I'm sure if you do one quick search on it, you'll find it. But so actually, I didn't dig deep, but still, it like there was this assassin hired by the MI5, and he said that because he's in the last stages of his life, he doesn't care whether they attempt to silence him or take away his life, because he's gonna die eventually. So his name is John Hopkins, and he's like an 8-year-old, and apparently he has done like 23 assassinations in his time, and and like
What?
no, and he's done 23 assassinations in his time.
In his career, as a career.
Oh.
Career record, that's a statistic. So, but what he mentioned was that Princess Diana was the only target that came directly from the royal family. And apparently he says that he never knew the reason why, because his job was just to pledge his allegiance to the crown and the royal family, and that's it.
तो उसने किया
And
मतलब? उसने किया.
he said that they basically got away with murder because after the royal family found out that Princess Diana knows about this sex trafficking thing or whatever, that she was a threat to national security.
Oh, so, but did John Hopkins do it, or does he know about it?
No, he was the basically when he was a hired assassin, right? So basically he had a person working above him who gave him his orders. So his orders to carry out these orders was to basically make a plan which looked like an accident.
Sure.
which involved the paparazzi over there, which involved the driver, which involved the head of security, and all that stuff. And
हो सकता है.
apparently, yeah, and also he mentioned that the biggest conspirator of all was Prince Phillips, like the husband. And
Prince Charles.
sorry, not the
So I
husband.
was so lost. I was just like, what?
Yeah, like Philip कौन है?
I'm a little, yeah. So the main conspirator was Prince Phillips, and he also said that if he was to be diagnosed, he would be diagnosed as a psychopath. And this is fucking crazy to me because he's admitting to getting away with murder basically. He told this to the mainstream media, and he's saying that they were basically silenced and all that stuff. And I feel like there's a
हो
lot of
सकता है.
evidence. हो तो सकता है भाई. हो तो सकता
I
है.
think it can be. Diana was थोड़ी सी हटके और she was a little divorced. She divorced the bloody heir to the throne.
Yeah, and then she was in a like a relationship or something with this guy. I forgot his name. Starts with D.
Al Fayed, he's an Egyptian.
I don't know. Yeah, something like that. And then they also there was also a thing that said that apparently she was pregnant with his child, and
She
then
was, but then it was debunked.
when
she wasn't.
yeah
Like
yeah
when they did the autopsy, they clearly found.
yeah, but that's what they did something. They did something with the pregnancy test.
क्या फर्क पड़ता है अगर वो bloody pregnant है कि नहीं? Conspiracy की वो
मर गई, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
नहीं मतलब उसके pregnancy से क्या? How does it matter if she's pregnant or not? Like she
Yeah,
was
the point is
inspired
that
to
somebody
eye to
made it
believe.
happen. Huh.
They wanted to cover up the pregnancy probably. They didn't want that an African Muslim guy was impregnating the fucking princess of Wales.
अरे she was divorced. She wasn't the princess anymore.
Yeah, but still, it's bad reputation, bad publicity for them, right?
What? How? She's already. अच्छा ठीक है छोड़. Forget this.
Okay,
Let's
okay.
move on
But
from this.
there's another thing like this whole.
Okay, anyways.
So now since we're
What do
talking
you
about
think?
this,
True or not?
I think it's true. Like I think the royal family had some.
I only
some
think
कीड़ा
because
they
Diana
did.
is थोड़ी सी. Yeah, Diana is
Yeah,
lucky
I'm
होती है.
lagging.
And okay, so now since we're talking about this anonymous thing, another thing that they revealed was that Avicii did not actually die of the drug overdose. He apparently came to know about this pedophilic ring that was going on.
The whole world is bloody pedophiles only.
So that's apparently like that's what they said, that he came to know of this ring, and then he got names of a few people, a few like big well-known people in the industry, and so they like got him, somebody killed him. That's all it says. So,
UV.
I don't know.
Oh भाई, pause कर दो. The second conspiracy I think that we wanted to talk about was the JFK assassination, because we're extremely intrigued by assassinations for some reason. And this one, though, I believe, तो पक्का true है. Like it has to be true. So to give you थोड़ा background story, JFK was the president during the peak of the Cold War, okay, between the US and the Soviet Union. And during that time, there's a very big event called the Cuban Missile Crisis, where a bunch of Cuban extremist group led by a person called Fidel Castro threw the president of the Cuba at that time, who was appointed by the US only, like a puppet president. He was threw off, and Fidel Castro took over all of Cuba, which became a huge thing. And he was promoting communism and shit like that. So at that time, this is the whole scenario of the political scenario of the globe that was happening, okay? And so, which is at the time in 1963, JFK was assassinated according to the evidence, by a person called Lee Harvey Oswald, okay? And uski assassination ke baad, the vice president, who eventually became the president, obviously, he said, LBJ, his initials are, he said that, and he appointed a commission to investigate the death, and the commission concluded that Lee Harvey Oswald acted alone. But conspiracy theorists believe that this is not true, that he did not act alone, number one, or there had to be a bigger story to this. So there are multiple conspiracy theories, but the one that I believe the most is that the CIA was actually involved in killing JFK. So to give you example, why first of all motive की बात करें तो first of all it said that CIA tried to assassinate Fidel Castro, but JFK had other plans. One, so and they could have if they want. Secondly, there was something called the Bay of Pigs invasion which happened in Cuba, which failed completely. So what the Americans did was they sent Cuban exiles that migrated to the US. They trained them and sent them to like blindside Castro and like take over Cuba again. But they failed miserably. Like Castro ran through everybody that came. Okay, so after this, JFK said that no, we're not going to provide you with any more military assistance. But CIA wanted that to happen. So another reason why the CIA could have been involved in taking JFK's life. To get to what happened, the events, okay, it said according to the commission that 3 bullets were fired from the 6th story of the Texas book depository, okay, from the 6th floor, and 3 bullets the first one missed completely. The second one is called the magic bullet theory. That's what it's called. What happened with the second bullet was it passed through JFK's neck, came out the front, passed the governor of Texas was sitting in front of JFK, okay, in the seat in the car. So it passed the back of JFK's neck, came out the front of his neck, went through the back of the governor, came out from under his chest, passed through his right wrist, came out and went into his left thigh. And when they took the bullet out, okay, the bullet was like almost intact. Like it went through so many layers and the bullet was completely intact. How? Yeah. So like first of all, kaise? And the third shot was obviously the one that actually hit JFK in the head and killed him, obviously. So first of all, ये bullet इतने सारे जगहों से गया. And
but is this true that this actually happened?
Yeah. That's what the commission concluded, that there was magic. The bullet went through so much. They said that it is actually possible, but यार, what are the odds? Like कि वो इतने layers जाएगा और वो bullet एकदम intact भी रहेगा. So उसके बाद, so the actual conspiracy is that the CIA acted with Harvey Oswald. So it is said that Harvey Oswald was a part of it because he was an overt communist. He used to say, no, I'm a communist, and he migrated from Russia. So it's like, wo to involved hai. The conspiracy is that another person appointed by the CIA called the Umbrella Man. The first of this name was absolutely epic. The actual Umbrella Man is supposed to be a guy named Louis Witt. Okay, Louis James Witt. So the conspiracy is that the guy was standing with an umbrella closed, okay? But the moment JFK came in his car, only then, first of all, it's a normal day, okay? Bright, sunny day, nothing was happening. Nobody else had umbrellas. The guy opens his umbrella only during JFK. The moment a car comes in front of him, he opens his umbrella. The moment the car leaves, the umbrella is closed, okay? And in that time only, JFK is shot in the span of the umbrella being open. And after this has happened, okay, there are pictures of the guy with the umbrella just sitting on, everybody else is obviously running frantically because bullet shots have been fired. This man is just sitting on the curb. There is like photographic evidence. So then this guy went to the commission when they were having their whole meetings, and he said that the only reason I was standing with an umbrella was because I was protesting against JFK's father, Robert Kennedy's involvement in something called the appeasement policy in 1938, 25 years before JFK died. And imagine someone protesting at Rahul Gandhi's rally about something Indira Gandhi did. So at his commission, and he said the whole thing about the Umbrella Man is that it is said either two possibilities: that one, the Umbrella Man was opened the umbrella as a signal for a gunman, or that the umbrella itself had shot darts when it was opened, which I can imagine you all think that thoda less believable. But someone named Charles Sensi, who worked from the Department of Defense weapons developer, okay, basically weapons develop karta hai, theek hai? He confessed that, you know what, I have actually designed this, so aisa weapon exists karta hai, to CIA ke paas ho sakta hai aisa weapon. The whole thing is that the moment you open the umbrella, it shoots darts. And that's what actually hit JFK in the back of the neck. And the bullet shot that fired just hit governor. the governor, and the third shot was the one that hit him in the head. So now there is so much. And one more thing. So when they asked him, you seemed completely क्या बोलते हैं, unmoved by the whole event. He said the umbrella was open, so I didn't see the sight of JFK being shot was blocked by the umbrella. तो तुम्हारे कान नहीं है, तुमने सुना ही नहीं ना, मतलब गन शॉट्स फायर हुए 3 और तुम बस everybody's running. This man is just sitting on the curb and just chilling. The most powerful man in America has been shot, and you're just chilling on the curb. I think the evidence is तो यार completely कि CIA ने तो किया ही है. ये तो मुझे पता. CIA मुझे लगते भी है. They work also like shadows only, and they cover their tracks and shit. I think the CIA has done it.
I don't know, yeah. This is so damn crazy.
वो bullet theory only. I feel the magic bullet theory is only so flawed. इतने सारी जगहों से निकला कुछ भी.
Okay, but now that we're talking about, huh?
I do think it's true. The theory is true, brother. It's like a conspiracy theory. It's true. Like Earth ने जितना evidence point out पूरा सब किया है. I really feel like there is something up behind it.
मुझे भी लगता है.
Like my favorite guy once said, "Sir, ACB Pradyuman, दाल में कुछ तो काला है."
Okay, but acha, now that we're talking about this whole CIA, you wanted to talk about AIDS, UV.
Oh, yeah. This is hella interesting. This really piqued my interest because this is something that is not spoken about much, and I feel like, okay, granted this is just based on rumors, but there is a little evidence supporting it, and I feel like Art said, the way the CIA works in the shadows and with a lot of secrecy and spy work. So basically, the AIDS epidemic, the HIV epidemic that happened, turns like there's a rumor and there's a theory in regard to it that basically CIA developed the disease in military labs and spread it in the African American and the homosexual community to get rid of these African Americans and the homosexuals from USA ka population. And
the actual if everybody that doesn't know, the actual origination of the AIDS virus is considered to be in Africa. Like it came from Africa to the United States.
So there were multiple focus group studies done, and in the multiple focus group studies, there was one focus group of African Americans, one focus group of Hispanics and white people, and one focus group of mixed people. So the focus group of the African American people, all of them said that no, this is a government-made disease. The focus group of the white and the Hispanic, they just joked around about oh no, I heard a funny story of some guy randomly having sex with a chimpanzee and he's spit. So, and the thing is, the African American focus group, they kept focusing on the government spread, on saying that it was government spread, because the durability of the disease in the African American community is much higher than the other statistics in the other communities. So there's a statistic about 1,700 African Americans per 100,000 African Americans have the disease. But when you're talking about other communities, the other dominant race in America is 220 is Caucasian, and the statistic for them is 224 per 100,000. So the difference of the statistic is crazy, and the durability. So the rumor has been up for around 2 decades that it was spread to get rid of the African Americans, and the rumor has a little bit sense of it because of the statistic and plus the durability, because for 2 decades only the African American community has been highly affected by it.
I think it makes sense. I don't think anything is possible, to be very honest.
And there's more to it. Bill Cosby, and Bill Cosby is still a messed up guy, but Will Smith himself said that he thinks that this was CIA, it was made by CIA.
And I'm not going to trust what Will Smith says. क्या वो actor है तो कुछ भी बोल देगा.
अरे वो ठीक है, but we're talking about personalities. When you're talking about personalities, the South African president, I think his name is Thabo Mbeki. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Thabo Mbeki. This guy, South African, he's a president who is at the highest level in his country. He says that no, this was not originated in Africa. This was something that was made by CIA to get rid of African Americans, like I said. And I think a personality that is more important is a Nobel Peace Prize winner. Her name is
Wangari
Wangari
Maathai.
Maathai. Yeah. Even she, like Arth said, I was speaking to Arth, and Arth said that a Nobel Prize winner is definitely more than educated, and is definitely more of being heard, like more worthy of being heard, you know. And listening to even her opinion and her, she personally thinks that, and she used her platform to say that no, this was not originated in Africa.
गलत तो है.
And भाई गाला है
हुआ है.
कुछ तो.
हुआ तो है कुछ ना. CIA ये साले ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ही, मतलब मैं क्या बोलूं अभी साले.
Also, one more thing, in 1971, Richard Nixon, he appointed the US Army and the National Cancer Institute on a project that has been classified, that is secret. You cannot reveal that. So that is another kind of, I feel like that's a little pulling at the straws, but like grasping for straws. But I feel like it's a little fishy, you know. And instantly after 9 years, after working in the lab and whatever,
हो सकता है.
HIV.
हो सकता है. What's next? Next conspiracy theory क्या है?
I have another thing.
Say.
तो जल्दी बोलना.
तो क्या हुआ? Because there's this rumor about CIA. CIA released their own rumor that the Soviet Union spread this rumor to get rid of their.
Okay, whatever.
हाँ ठीक है,
Now
हो गया ना, मान लिया
one
ना
more thing.
हमने.
Now the fourth thing the fourth conspiracy that we want to talk about is, now I don't know if this is true. There's no evidence, and these two people don't believe it, but it's like about Walt Disney. So now it's, I mean, I don't know how true it is, honestly.
Explain तो करो.
But now, okay. So now this Walt Disney, he died like, I don't know how many ever years ago, but people believe that he was kept in a cryonic chamber with liquid nitrogen. His head was preserved, or his whole body was preserved. We don't know what was preserved, like for sure. Everything was preserved. But
Technically, we don't know anything.
yeah, we don't know. There is no evidence, but it's just like a very big rumor. And so this is what they believe, that it had a cryonic chamber with liquid nitrogen, so he could be revived later in the future, whenever. Now this rumor went on for a very long time, and so every time people would type Disney Frozen, like there would be like thousands of like websites like all like showing all of this. And so because to like cover up this rumor, and because they didn't want people to talk about all of this, and because, you know, maybe they were scared or whatever it was, they made the movie Frozen. Okay. And wait. And so and they made the movie Frozen now, and it was inspired by this, Frozen was inspired by this movie Ice Princess or something. So, and they could have named it anything. They could have named it Ice Princess, they could have named it Ice Sisters, whatever they wanted, but they chose to name it Frozen.
This is such bullshit.
I don't know, yaar. I'm saying, like, I couldn't find.
We don't even care if the conspiracy theory is true or not, because it doesn't affect global matters.
So how does
Like,
anything affect global matters?
When you're talking about JFK, when you're talking about CIA raid, when you're talking about Princess Diana, it reveals
It's such a dumb thing. It's so hilarious. But it's a funny theory though. Like I have to give it to that. कि हंसी तो आई मुझे पढ़ते वक्त.
I don't know. I was just like,
conspiracy theories. Like this is something you read on.
What?
ये को Reddit theory है ये तो.
But I don't know. They and another, like, the video said that they chose the name Frozen specifically to cover up the exact same. They could have named it anything. This is not what I'm saying. This is what the video said. Okay, that they could have named it anything, Sisters, Ice Princess, whatever. But they chose to name it Frozen, so that now whenever people type Disney Frozen, this is all that comes up. Like, no, now you can't see it anywhere. What?
UV, what do you think? I don't believe in it.
UV was saying something.
Even if it's true or not, I don't care.
Okay, chalo, move on. Next concept.
Okay. Next is, do we want to talk about pyramids?
Aliens wala. अच्छा ठीक है, first of all, do you all believe in aliens?
I think it's possible.
I believe in aliens.
मैंने तो documentary भी देखी है. ऋतिक रोशन और बास्केटबॉल खेलता है.
Oh भाई.
Bro, क्या documentary था. But to get to like the facts and stuff, the Great Pyramids, okay, were built I don't remember the exact date. Basically, all of us know कि बहुत पहले हुआ था, ठीक है? BC में हुआ था. Ancient. It's the only what do you call wonder of the world that still exists from the ancient worlds. Okay. So what I think is that this though is not possible to have been built by man. I'll tell you why. First of all, it is 1/20th of a थोड़ा maths है, ठीक है? इसमें like stats है तो थोड़ा ध्यान. 1/20th of a degree, उसका जो top है, it's only 1/20th of a degree of the actual true north of the axis. Okay? Which means, and since this happened so many years ago and the axis is actually moving, it is actually possible that it could have been even more accurate. One. Secondly, okay, if Great Pyramid ka location jo hai, okay, in the cardinal directions, okay, which is north, northeast, south, southeast, whatever, all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 directions mein, if you make great circles, which is kya bolta hai wo, 1 second, yaar, fuck, the temperature of your phone is ruko. So if you make great circles around these 6 cardinal directions, it covers the most land mass that any other place on earth could carry. So essentially it is the center of the earth. 2, 3, it is measured in something. So that time, since there was no inches, right, they were measured in something called cubits. Okay, so cubit is जो diameter of the earth है, ठीक है, उसको is actually exactly divisible into 25 million cubits. ठीक है, first of all, ये कैसे maths लगाया उन्होंने before the diameter was even discovered. Even moving past it, the actual diameter of the corners of the pyramids is 365.242 cubits long. Okay, which is exactly equal to the number of days that the earth takes to surround the sun. To that 365 and a 1/4 day, 242, 3/4. And this though was like थोड़ा सा freaky also I felt. उसका जो coordinate है ना, वो point का, like बोलते हैं ना, the coordinates of the location of the ship is, so the coordinates of the top of the pyramid is 29.9792458 degrees north. ठीक है? That is exactly equal to the speed of light in space in meters per second, 299 million. So now obviously अब 4 ऐसा evidence, इतना maths before in BC era, it can't be a coincidence. There has to be some extraterrestrial thing involved. Like इतना कैसे भाई?
It's possible that they had more knowledge about the world than we know. You know
how? There was no instruments, no machine. Like how would they know so much? And then not a
know,
pass. Like the coincidence is so, like it was not like just one thing. It was so many things. Like it just freaked my mind, man. Like it's not only like pyramids, right? It's like the Stonehenge also. Each like the most rocks of the Stonehenge weigh 30 tons. How did they get it bloody 25 feet high? How? Then, by the way, the Stonehenge was built 5 centuries before the wheel was built. There's no like way of them using pulleys or like wheels and shit. Like कैसे? How for, even if we ignore the transportation, चलो assume कर ले कि सारे के सारे पत्थर वहाँ पे थे. How did they get it 25 feet in the air?
I read this. I found this damn stupid. I don't think it's true. But now I don't know what can be true or can't. I saw this. What?
It makes more sense than your bloody Disney theory, first of all.
It's not my theory, first of all. It's just what I found. It's not mine. I didn't say that happened.
अच्छा ठीक है, go on.
And I forgot what I was saying, Yuvi. Thanks. What was I don't remember now. It's okay.
First of all, to add to the whole Stonehenge thing, one last thing, again, to get into like maths and shit, it is located on 51 degrees latitude, okay? The exact location is exactly on the latitude, which on winter solstice makes the moon, okay, makes an exact 90-degree angle with the sun on the 51 latitude every winter solstice, and the Stonehenge is in the middle. So like there's an angle in which if you see the moon and the sun, that's the only time that it is exactly at 90 degrees. Like kaise? How did they apply so much science and math and physics to bloody stones?
I have no idea.
भाई कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. कुछ तो है, ये पक्का एलियन ने किया है. Hrithik Roshan was right.
Okay, but guys, I hope you guys enjoyed all these conspiracy theories. I don't know how much of it you all believe. I mean, I don't know, but I hope you guys
Because
like.
we
And
did our best. I took
yeah,
the-
we tried. Y'all can
How
let us-
many did we speak about?
we spoke about 5, I think.
No, yours is not included, first of all.
Arey
अरे
yaar,
चल ना ठीक है ना,
just
get to the
shut
end,
up.
get to the end, get to the end, get to the end.
Yeah, and y'all can let us know which ones y'all believed, which one y'all thought was shit.
Actually, you know what? If anybody believes in Disney, okay, please put it like in capital so we can go through the comments and we can actually
Yeah,
talk
y'all are
to you.
just
And then,
attacking me, yaar. Bloody, like, fine. It's okay, yaar.
We'll ask like, what do you believe in the Disney theory? And
Chalo,
then we
theek hai,
do
good,
next.
good then. Understood. Let us know what you all think about the conspiracy theories. If you have something even wilder than this, we'd love to know in the comments. And yeah, thank you for listening. And hopefully we see you next Saturday for our next episode.
If you
Bye,
like the
guys.
video, please like and comment, please.
If you actually like the video, then please click the like button. We would love if you would
We are
subscribe.
not begging for likes.
अरे ठीक है ना,
Okay,
चलो
okay.
चलो, see you
Bye,
guys.
guys.
All right, see ya.